This cartridge can print up to 2,600 pages. Check out how crisp and bold the text looks. No smudges, no streaks, just sharp professional quality. Fully compatible with over 10 Brother models. The TN760 is perfect for home, school, or office use. Plus, it helps avoid print errors and protects your drum unit from wear. Installation takes under 30 seconds. Let's run a print test. Boom. Text is sharp, blacks are deep, and no smearing. Perfect for everyday documents. You get up to 3,000 pages per cartridge at a fraction of the OEM price. Compatible with all major Brother TN760, TN730 printers, including HLL to 390DW and MFCL to 710DW. Looking for reliable, affordable toner that delivers? Try Easy Ink TN760 today. Link in description. Save money and print smarter. Click the link below to order now.